Okay, we're calculating the time derivative, the first spatial derivative of this expression for the electric field, this wave expression. Okay, and so we're just doing this simple calculus. So let's just continue. Okay, so we have the same argument as before, but now we've brought this factor outside. Okay, and so this, now we can take the second derivative, just take the derivative of what we just wrote. Okay, and this is equal to minus 4 pi squared over c squared t squared. I hope I'm getting all the algebra right. And now we have a cosine, back to a cosine of the same argument. Okay. All right. So we also have so this is the spatial derivatives. Now we have the time derivatives. Okay, so they're very similar. Okay, and again, the second derivative. And back to a cosine. Okay, so I hope I got all that right. If I messed up on the algebra, leave a comment. So these are the time derivatives. Okay, so now if we go back, we see that now we have this second spatial derivative, second time derivative. Now we've calculated both of these things. So let's put it all together. Okay, so put all these things together, and what you find is that minus 4 pi squared electric field by c squared okay, so we can get rid of the 4 pi squares, e, t squares, and what we're left with is that the product of these two things is equal to, of the permittivity and the permeability is 1 over the speed of the wave squared, and so we can also write this as c, as the speed of the wave is equal to 1 over the square root of this product of fundamental constants. So that's pretty interesting. So basically the speed of light is obtained as a physical constant without specifying a particular reference frame. So in none of this did we actually specify a reference frame. I never wrote down a reference frame. I never indicated one. But the speed of light pops right out, and it's a constant. It's something which is a fundamental law, a fundamental constant. Okay. And oops. And so let's just highlight this just to remind us where to look, and that's quite important.